it's all mindset, right? You got to get in the right mindset. And what you have to understand, and before I get into pick a niche and all the stuff you've already heard,
Mm,
what
mm,
people don't talk about is that you need to encourage yourself. You need to first get in the mindset of understanding that what you're going to get into is having to work on your consistency muscle, work on your
mm,
confidence, and understand that everything you post or create is just an experiment, right? And you're testing and you're going to use data to understand what's working and what's not. And you have when you change your mindset like that, you understand that hey, whenever I post something, it's not like, do people like me or do people not? That's the first thing we go to. Like, are
mm.
people going to like this or people not? It's not about that, right? That's the legacy brand building or building an audience. The new world is let me put something out there and get feedback on whether that works or not.